In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Salesforce in a straightforward and efficient way. If you're diving into Salesforce for the first time, it might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll tackle the essentials step by step to get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. To begin, you'll first need to log into Salesforce. This might seem like a simple start, but ensuring you can access your platform is the critical first step. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Salesforce dashboard, a hub of productivity, collaboration, and management tools. Next, look for the settings icon. Finding and accessing the right settings is crucial as it leads you into the customization of your Salesforce environment. Click on Open Advanced Setup to delve deeper into the configurations available to tailor your Salesforce instance to fit your company's needs perfectly. Now, navigate to the company information section. This is where you'll set up your company's vital details. Enter accurately your company name, address, and other essential information. Doing this helps personalize your instance and ensures that communications coming from Salesforce reflect your company's brand. Following this, it's time to define the default time zone and fiscal year settings. Having the correct time zone ensures that all your scheduling and calendar events are aligned with your local time. Likewise, defining your fiscal year settings helps in aligning all financial transactions with your company's financial timeline, an essential step for seamless financial operations within Salesforce. After setting these foundations, move over to Users. This section is your go-to for adding and managing users. Here you can assign roles and profiles, deciding who can do what within Salesforce. Properly setting permissions means you're securing your data by limiting access to what's relevant to each role in your organization. Once users are configured, head to the App Manager section. This powerful feature allows you to create a new Lightning app or modify an existing one, a task that essentially customizes the Salesforce interface to your preferences, boosting efficiency for every user. While setting up your app, you'll select critical business objects like accounts and contacts. Choosing these allows you to ensure that the app fits your specific business needs. You'll also want to visit the Object Manager to customize page layouts for these objects, adding any necessary fields or actions to tailor the user experience. If your business has requirements not addressed by standard objects, consider creating a new custom object to store unique data critical to your operations. This flexibility ensures you're capturing all the info you need. Next, explore themes and branding to craft or edit a theme. This feature, including the option for dark mode, allows you to apply your company's brand identity to the Salesforce environment, making it a personalized and comfortable space. Customize the homepage by assigning a new default or custom homepage to specific apps and profiles. This functionality lets each department within your company have the Salesforce experience that best suits their workflow, further enhancing productivity. Last but not least, don't forget to take full advantage of the Quick Find feature within Setup. Here, you can locate and enable specific features like Sales Engagement, Commerce, or Marketing Cloud Connect to expand your Salesforce capabilities. With these steps complete, you've successfully set up Salesforce, ready to meet your business's unique needs. Thanks for watching.